I've seen a few questions pop up about how to run like a year-to-year course where maybe it's a certification where you need to get recertified every year or every 3 years, and what's kind of the easiest way to do that where people have to earn a new certificate. And the easiest way I've seen to do that is to have a course for the given year. So I have my LifterLMS Quiz System Masterclass. If I were to call that Quiz System Masterclass 2020, go ahead and update that. And then for 2021, I can clone my course, my Quiz System Masterclass 2020, and then call my clone the Quiz System Masterclass 2021. And it looks like I got some sort of an error there, but if I reload, it probably went ahead and went through. Yep, there we go. So it went ahead and went through. If you ever get an error like that, just pop back out to the courses and it should be cloned and good to go. So if I have LifterLMS Quiz System Masterclass 2020, let me edit that for 2021, then update. So now I have like the 2021 course, and I'll just do that going forward. And what you can do is if you edit your 2021 course, what I would do here is, of course, this is all going to be the same, except for restrictions. I can actually enable my enrollment period. So I could set like a start date for this course if I wanted to, or the easiest way is just to manually go in here in 2021 and set up your access plans to be available. So the 2021 course is not going to be available for purchase until I manually set it in 2021. And until that point, everyone's just going to go to my 2020 course. And of course, if I wanted to, I could turn this into a draft. If I wanted to, another great setup, or another great thing about this setup is that you can make changes very easily. So if something in your industry changes from year to year, this is a super easy way to make those changes without changing the current content on your current members. You have like a 2020 model, 2021, and you can easily make those changes. And then on your certificates, what you can do is either add a new certificate for the 2020 course. You just clone your certificate, and then you can just modify it for your current year. And that just kind of makes that whole process kind of work smoothly, where every year you just clone the course, make any necessary changes, and then once it comes time to roll over to that new course, just change out the purchase links on your sales pages. Or if you're not using sales pages, you're just using LifterLMS out of the box. As long as your access plans are still set up on this course like we have here, it should be good to go for you. So yeah, that's kind of how you can pretty easily create like a year-to-year certification style course using LifterLMS. And this also serves to kick out students in your previous course. So maybe the 2020 course, none of the students are going to be enrolled in the 2021 course. So if they want to get that certificate for that current year, they'll have to enroll in that current year course. And of course, you can unpublish this one or do whatever you need to do to retire this 2020 course once it is expired or there's no longer any students going through this.